Hi there. This is a short video to show you how to make an Instagram post for our promotion. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Instagram app on your phone or a device. Don't use a computer. It won't work on a computer. And once you're in your Instagram app, in the bottom menu, you will see a magnifying glass. That's the search icon, so click on that. And when that opens up, you're going to type in Dive into Math and select this first one with the blue logo. It looks just like that. So click on that. Then next, you're going to come down here in this blue follow button. You're going to click that follow button. Then scroll down. And this middle post right here at the top, you're going to click on that. And then this paper airplane, that's the share button, the little paper airplane icon under the picture here. I don't know if you can see that. So you click that. Then down here at the bottom, in the bottom menu, you're going to click Add to Story. Okay? Now we're going to select this A icon up here in the top right corner. That's the text icon. Now we're going to type in why you chose Shormann Math. So once you finish typing what you want, then you say done, top right corner, and then you just press and hold this text, and you can move it around. Well, there we go. Okay. And then you're going to click the sticker icon that's right under the text icon. And this is how you post the link. So down here towards the bottom, you see it, there's a sticker that says link. diveintomath.com /Shormann, and then click done in the top right corner. And again, you can grab this and drag it down to the bottom. You can also move this picture around if you need more room at the top or at the bottom. And then you can also click this link and make it different colors if you want, whatever you want to do. Okay, then select the white button in the bottom right corner with the black arrow. Then the blue share button. Add to highlights at the top right there. And this just makes it so we can see your post even after, or your story, even after it expires. Stories are only 12 or 24 hours, and then they disappear. So if we don't have time to get to it, we might not be able to see it. So, so you want to click this plus button and type in Shormann, add, and then done. And your story will post to your stories and to your highlights. Okay, thanks so much.